Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So today we have our caterpillar friends for journaling, and when we look closely at them we will notice that they have changed a lot since our last journaling video, and they're also starting to spend a lot of time near the top. And after we look at them closely, we'll talk about what do we think that means before our next video. So for our journals today, we are on day 5, which is April 24th, 2020. And we are now on the back side of our journal. So if you are using a notebook for your journal, you can start your parts again on your page at the top and start with day 5, April 24th, 2020. And if you are using a paper journal, we are back at the top on the other side. And day 5 goes at the top with April 24th, 2020. And just as a reminder, what goes in our box? That's right, our picture goes in our box. So we will draw our friends and what they look like today, and then we will describe what we see for changes on the bottom. And today we're going to add a new part to our writing. But before we write about our changes, let's have a look at our caterpillar friends today. our friends have had so many changes happen to them in the last 5 days. And if you look back at day 1 and look at them today, you can see all of the changes that have been made to their size, their shape, their color, and any other details that you see. We also want to make sure we include any changes that we see in the cup. So if you see any more silk in the cup, or if you see any more old skin from our caterpillars shedding. So remember to include those important details in your journals today as well. I would also like you to write one more sentence today, and that is going to be a prediction. So a prediction is what you think will happen next using what you've learned about the life cycle of a caterpillar and other things that you've noticed throughout our videos. So to write your prediction, I can give you a sentence frame that can help you get started. So a sentence frame that you can use to write your prediction about our caterpillar friends is, I predict our caterpillars will, and then you fill in the sentence with what you think will happen to our caterpillars. So my prediction is, I predict our caterpillars will start making their chrysalis this weekend. So I've learned so much about a life cycle of a caterpillar, and I've looked closely at their changes. So I've used what I see and what I've learned to make my prediction. So today we're going to start including a prediction about what we think will happen next. So I'm going to keep a very close look at our caterpillars this weekend because I predict lots of changes will happen, and I am excited to share anything that happens with you on Monday. So please be sure to come back on Monday to see our caterpillar friends for day 6. So I hope you have a great weekend, friends. And of course, I miss you and love you as always. And I will see you soon. Bye, friends.